adakah utamakan pelajaran dulu ataupun kerjaya dulu?
The way I was taught, I have to take pelajaran dulu because kerja ni, it depends on how you are semua tu. Tapi kalau belajar ni, it has to be a number one priority. Kalau you tak ada benda ni, you akan cepat tertipu. That is how my mom and my dad cakap dengan I akan cepat tipu.
Betul.
I tak tahu, because I don't want to be when I'm 40 years old, I akan sambung belajar. I don't want that. When I'm 40 years old, I nak berfun-fun. I dapat 40 kot, I nak buat apa je kat rumah. Tengok TV lah tu semua. So macam, I don't want to go patah balik masuk uni and then belajar, ambil diploma tu semua. Because I don't think that kalau my parents tengok I macam tu, diorang akan happy lah. Because they want to be macam, oh masih, well you have the time right now, go do whatever you want. Tapi you kena ingat, belajar tu nombor satu. But at the same time, you're allowed to do the things that you want to do. But
Like
just
keep balance
yes, just know that your belajar has to be balance. Your belajar has to be
the
up.
first priority.
Yeah, betul.
Ramailah budak-budak muda sekarang kan basically macam, oh diorang nak jadi influencer sebab dia nampak dekat TikTok, social media. Ataupun nak jadi live streamer sebab macam itu ialah benda yang mudah dan tak perlu pelajaran. So what do you think about that?
I think for me, they're gonna balance because like I said, belajar is priority. Kalau you tak ada belajar ni, you nak ke mana pun you tak tahu because it is everyone kena ada ni. Kalau you nak cantik pun, you need to have the brain too. Like you said, beauty with brain.
Yeah.
You have to. It's good for your critical thinking skills. It's good for your critical thinking skills. Sebab dunia ni banyak orang yang baik, banyak orang yang jahat. You just have to be careful with who you're with. That's all I'm saying.